Where are we?
The Wellington cable car.
Yes.
Wellington. We just took the cable car up to the top, and this is the top cafe. Just ordered ourselves some coffee, but we're trying to get to the picnic cafe, which we want to walk to. So don't know how that's going to be.
Vibes of this cafe. Having some navigational issues.
As per.
We need Google Maps back into our life. We should go there. Look at that. Waterfall. Somehow we randomly ended up here. Blah, 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 blah. Volunteer place. Please tell me where we are.
I don't know.
Come on, map.
Nose.
You can't swear on my vlog.
Oh, sorry, peoples. Not that you can hear this.
Good job, Dora. This is Dory. I'm Dora. We have arrived at the Beehive by a map, by the way. Not Google Maps. So that's Krishna, and that's how big the statue is. What's it, guys? We just got ready to get to Wow, which will be quite interesting. This is Krishna's outfit. This is my outfit. It'll be fun. Hey, how was Wow?
How was well?
Yeah.
It's pretty well.
Pretty well.
Yeah.
It is pretty well. So Wow means World of Wearable Art. Our tickets cost $145. You can't take any photos or video while you're there. But yeah, it was pretty good.
It was really good, I thought.
There was a lot of like international people who contested in it as well, so that was cool as well. Oh yeah, it was like 2.5 hours.
Yeah, 2 and a bit hours. Not even 2.5.
Like 2 and a bit hours
Yeah.
of a show, and like, so they do like runways, but there's different platforms, and then they switch around, and then there's like a dance performance going on at the back, which was pretty cool as well. Yeah.
Can I do well?